Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix cannot download apps on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open settings, then tap on your Apple account. And from here, just sign out of your Apple account, then sign back into your Apple account. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center, then tap on the Connection section in the Control Center. From here, just tap on Airplane Mode and enable Airplane Mode on your iPhone. After that, just wait for a few seconds and turn it off. Also from here, just make sure you're either connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data. After you've done that, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon in front of the connected Wi-Fi network. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now if it is on manual, just select automatic, then tap on save, then go to the main settings page and tap on general. From here, just tap on date and time. Now if the date and time on your iPhone are incorrect, just tap on the date and set the date manually, just like that. Then tap on the time and set the time manually. Or you can enable set automatically, and after you enable set automatically, your iPhone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. For the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go to the main settings page and tap on screen time. From here, just tap on content and privacy restrictions, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on installing apps and make sure you select allow. After that, just go back, then tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Tap on Apps, then tap on Age Rating. Now, if the app you're downloading is set for a specific age, just select 18 plus, or you can select unrated. Now you can do all this, or you can disable content and privacy restrictions. And by disabling this option, you will disable all the parental control settings on your iPhone. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. Tap on App Store. Then go to the mobile data section. Now, if you're downloading apps on your mobile data, just make sure you enable automatic downloads. Now, after you've done that, then go to your home screen and reboot your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix cannot download apps on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.